Ay, sobrang init naman. Hindi ako magalaw ng maayos. Hindi komportable.
Pre, try mo tong lemon juice namin.
Uy,
Refreshing
salamat,
to.
Dre.
Introducing Zesty Drop, a burst of nature's precious fruits in every drop. Made from real fruit, packed with natural flavor and goodness. Zesty Drop is your perfect refreshment anytime, anywhere. Feel the zest, taste the freshness, and energize your day with Zesty Drop, the juice that's as lively as you are. Zesty Drop, pure fruit, pure refreshment.